Good morning. So today's Sunday and it's also Valentine's Day. I don't really celebrate it because I'm single, but I do love the excuse of getting myself flowers, and I'm also probably gonna do a photo shoot, like a Valentine's themed one later on. So I thought I'd film a day in the life living in Aberdeen and just take you along with me. I am gonna go for a walk later, so I'll definitely also show you a bit more of Aberdeen city centre. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. So that was my makeup routine, and the reason why I didn't actually show the items was because a lot of them are very cheap and not great quality, so I don't really want to like promote them. And also I have some from before I went vegan and before I really, I guess, I don't know, there's a few things that I don't think are cruelty free, but I don't want to like just throw them out and like waste them, so I want to like just finish them up and obviously not buy them again. So of course I wouldn't want to promote them as well. It's like my everyday makeup routine. I don't usually put on foundation unless I'm going out like in the evening to a bar or to the club. I'm gonna go and make some lunch and then get changed and probably go out for a walk. Hello, so I'm just about to leave the house and I'm going for a walk with one of my friends, cafe, but we're also going to do a little photo shoot, so we put like our makeup on, or like I'm wearing like a red skirt under this, but yeah, we just thought we'd catch up, go on a walk, and oh god, it's so windy though, and yeah, just take like a social distance photo shoot just quickly somewhere that's obviously far away from people. We're not going to be like blocking the way, and yeah, we thought it'd be fun just to get like some roses. Okay, so I'm back home now. It's gone dark, as you can tell. I just edited the photos. It came out so nice. I'm really happy with them. And yeah, I took the lipstick off because it was just, yeah, it ruined. And now what I did, because I have chocolate pie that I defrosted because I got it at Christmas time from Marks and Spencer's. It's like a vegan chocolate pie anyway. So that's ready. And I thought I cut out a heart and I have some ice and sugar that I'm going to sprinkle on top. Hopefully it will work. I've never really tried this before, but because I wanted something kind of Valentine-y, I guess. And I also have some strawberries that I'm going to melt some chocolate and dip them in. And yeah, that's going to be like my Valentine theme food, I guess. So thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna read my book for a bit and then get ready for bed. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I feel like you can also follow me on Instagram. I post daily about life in Aberdeen and in Scotland in general, and just travel related content as well. So yeah, I'll see you next time.